Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create and customize powerful dashboards in Clickup. Dashboards are one of the most valuable features in Clickup because they allow you to view your most important project information in one centralized location. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a dashboard, customize it to fit your workflow, and use it to make better decisions across your projects. Let's get started. The first step is opening the area where you want your dashboard to live. You can start from almost any list, folder, space, or location within your Clickup workspace. Once you're there, click the option to Add View. A menu will appear showing different view types. Select Dashboard from the available options. Clickup makes dashboard creation incredibly simple by providing several ready-made templates. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can choose a template designed for a specific use case and customize it later. For teams tracking time and expenses, the Time Tracking Dashboard provides a quick view of hours worked, workload distribution, and billable time in one place. The Project Management Dashboard helps you monitor project progress, deadlines, and team workload, making it easier to keep projects on track. For development teams, the Sprint Reporting Dashboard offers insights into sprint progress, team capacity, and potential bottlenecks, helping improve future planning and execution. Once you've selected a template, Clickup automatically generates the dashboard and populates it with relevant cards and widgets. But the real power comes from customization. Clickup offers more than 60 different dashboard cards that can be added to fit your specific needs. These include task lists, charts, graphs, workload views, calendars, goal trackers, and reporting widgets. Imagine your dashboard as a personalized command center. Just as a pilot chooses which instruments appear in a cockpit, you can decide exactly which metrics and information are most important for your team. As your projects evolve, you can continue adjusting your dashboard by adding new cards, removing unnecessary ones, and rearranging the layout to match your workflow. One particularly useful feature is the ability to click directly into dashboard elements. If a chart shows a spike in overdue tasks or a workload imbalance, you can drill down into the data and immediately investigate the underlying tasks and projects. This allows you to move beyond high-level reporting and take action based on real-time information. If your workspace includes Clickup AI, dashboards become even more powerful. AI can help analyze information surfaced in your dashboard, answer questions about tasks and documents, and provide additional context that helps teams work more efficiently. And that's it. That's how you create and customize dashboards in Clickup. With just a few clicks, you can transform raw project data into meaningful insights that improve visibility, collaboration, and decision-making. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Clickup productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.